And number 3, the only difference between yesterday's lesson and today's lesson is you have to do what? You're going to divide. So the only thing you have to do in division is you take division, you're going to change it into multiplication, and your directions told you to do what? Flip it. You only flip the one that has immediately after the division sign. So I have 2x over x squared minus 1. Remember, you can put things around parentheses if it helps you stay organized. I don't know, a student might be tempted to cancel these, but you have a plus, this is minus, those are different. Ask you guys to factor those. Partner B, tell partner A what happens when you factor. Amy, when you factored x squared minus 1, what did you get? This is just like the previous problem. You have a quadratics. You're going to have to add a 0x here. So essentially this one is x squared plus 0x minus 1. Class, should we cancel anything? Yeah. You can cancel the x's. 1x. It's a monomial. It's not in parentheses. There's no plus or minus next to it. Anything else? Class, can I cancel the 1s here? No. Remember, they're in a relationship here. So then your answer is going to be 2 times x squared plus 1 and x plus 1, x minus 1. Raise your hand if you got that. Partner A, tell partner B, how do you find the restrictions? Ready, set, go. Lily, how do you find the restrictions? Yeah. Okay, here's the question. Which ones do you put? Now, you have to do, after you do division, the restrictions are actually right here. So let's go ahead and set those not equal to 0. X is not equal to 0. That's an answer. Remember, x squared minus 1 can be factored to x plus 1, x minus 1. So I'm setting those in yellow, not equal to 0. This is already a 0. This factors. And this kind of proves, a lot of students were confused with this, right? You were like, add 1 and then take the square root, and a lot of students were just thinking positive 1. It's actually positive and negative 1. This verifies that to you. You can set each of those not equal to 0. And then now you will get x cannot be negative 1. And x can't be what? Positive 1. So those are our restrictions. Question?
Well, you said like you can't like cancel out the x squared plus 1 and the x plus 1 x minus 1. Like, why can't you cancel it out like equal? Like if you can factor it.
Try that one more time.
Like how you said like you can't cancel out the
Can't
x
cancel those.
minus 1 and the x plus 1 x minus 1.
Correct.
But like aren't they both like equal, the same? Like can you factor x squared minus 1 into x plus 1 x minus 1?
There is a difference if I say add extra credit of plus 1 and adding extra credit of minus 1. Are those the same thing? No, it's not. Does it make sense? If I go to Starbucks, It's really awesome if it's just like, okay, I buy my drink, or it's the happy hour, you say buy one, get one free. That's plus one. It'd be kind of crazy if it's Starbucks and say, oh yeah, buy one, you get minus one. I buy my drink, you're going to take it away? Like, there's a difference. Does that make sense? If you plug in values, you realize they don't. And the reason why is the parabola, one shifted up, one shifted down.